Capitalize on other people's achievements. What is it that you are doing? What is that endeavor that you have decided to engage in? And you are just starting from the scratch, or you are just middle way into limelight. You need to capitalize on the achievement of others. You're welcome to Social Pills channel once again, the right place to get just the right dose for your social challenges. Here on Social Pills channel, I remain your chief host, Great Chinwonder. The topic at the moment is capitalize on others' achievement. So, you need to capitalize on the achievement of others in that particular line of endeavor that you have engaged yourself in. So, if you are a musician or you are aspiring to become a great musician and then you are into music as a starter or as someone who has been involved in it for not too long, then for you to keep going, you need to capitalize on the achievement on other people who have been into music. This way, you will be connected to the source of inspiration that you need for you to be self-encouraged. You know, if you know the stories of some of those ones that have really attained greatness in that music line, then you can always encourage yourself that for you to be at this level at this time, then you are even better than some of them at the time they were at your level. So this way, you discover that you have gathered enough energy, you have drawn enough encouragement for yourself. Because we have said it, that so many dreams have been aborted, so many dreams have been killed, so many dreams have been destroyed just by the words of people. And this is just very real. Anybody that is not exposed to adequate information can just be a victim of this. And that is why we are looking at the place or the standpoint for a person to be able to encourage his or herself in that endeavor that he or she has ventured into. So, I just use music as an example. It could be anything that you have chose to engage in. It might be business you wanted to start. It might be that you are a drummer, a good drummer. It might be that you are into automobile electric work, or maybe a mechanic or a scaffolder or anything, maybe a singer. You need self-encouragement. And the big way that I've found for you to encourage yourself is by attaching yourself with those who have attained success in these areas that you have chosen. So, some of them, you will follow their stories and you see that the road was not very rosy for them to get to that level. Some of them, let's say if you are just 2 years into that endeavor, some of them will tell you that at that 2 years, they were not even anywhere close to where you are now. And that is why you can easily be motivated. That is why you can be encouraged. Enough energy and fire will be set in your bones for you to continue. See, this way, you discover that you will not give up on your dreams. Yes, you will not back out like every other person. So, this is Social Pills channel. I am here because of our social challenges, and as time goes by, we are going to be touching every nook and cranny of life, and I bet you we have just the right dose for you. So don't take your face away from the channel. Don't just click through the video. No, stand by, stay with us, follow us, subscribe, and then see some of the hints that we have for you. And I bet you will not regret it. We are having testimonies already, and your case is not going to be different. So if you have not touched your area of concern yet, you can drop comments on the comment section. Then we will do well to eventually visit whatever issue that you are passing through. Tell someone about Social Pills. Subscribe, share our videos so that we can bring this information to people who might be needing them out there. Here on Social Pills channel, I remain your chief host, Great Chinwonder. Please do well to attach yourself with some of the people who have gone ahead in that endeavor that you have find yourself in. It will do you a great good. And sometimes, if you can have either a one-on-one contact or phone contact or email contact with some of these people, you can then build them as your mentors. Mentoring is very, very key and crucial in making headway with whatever area of life that we have chosen to venture into. So don't give up, don't give up, don't back out, don't think that your case is going to be different. No, all these discouragements are there to prove your worth, that you are actually what you have put yourself into. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for your comments, thanks for sharing. Bye.